Whether we're cleaning, organizing, body doubling, sharing tips and tricks for a more intentional life, or even just hanging out together, welcome to my intentional living space. Today, we're diving into a cold, dark, mysterious place that's been quietly judging me from behind closed doors: my refrigerator. I'm a nurse, so we're doing this with some serious food safety in mind because bacteria does not take days off. Don't worry though, I'm going to try my best to sprinkle in some wit to make this less of a chore and more like a funny fridge intervention. Behold the land of forgotten leftovers and questionable condiments. That salsa, yeah, we haven't had tacos in 3 months. And the yogurt, it expired, probably Mercury retrograde. Everything must come out. Even the half jar of pickles that's basically just pickle juice now. Fun nurse fact, you've got about 3 to 4 days max on leftovers. After that, you're just marinating bacteria. So what happened for my refrigerator to get in this condition is I recently had spinal surgery. And so I was not able to bend over to put anything away in the fridge or wipe anything down. I basically could only reach the top couple shelves on the door, and that's it. And I couldn't even get a drink out of there, out of the refrigerator by myself. So I really had no choice but to kind of let the fridge go for a little bit until I started feeling better and my restrictions were lifted so that I could kind of bend over a little bit more to be able to get in there and get this thing cleaned out. And yes, I keep my facial cleanser in the fridge. It's an enzymatic face wash from Lush. This is a little sample. I also have some vitamins in there, D3 and K2, that I keep in the fridge as well. Those will go back in there. Let's talk food safety while we cry over that $8 fancy cheese we never finished. Your fridge should be at 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below. Never thaw meat on the counter unless you want a side of salmonella. The warmest place in your fridge, that door you keep your milk in. I know. Those strawberries look delicious. Should I put my name on them now? What do you think, buddy? Think it's good? Doug is like, absolutely not. You don't want this chicken, huh? It's chicken and cheese. No. That's a no. Fun nursing fact number 2, Listeria loves a cold, sticky fridge. It's basically a timeshare for bacteria if you don't clean it. What are the most common bacteria in an average fridge? Listeria, especially in deli meats, cheeses, old leftovers. Salmonella, raw poultry juices. E. coli, raw meat and contaminated produce. And mold spores on forgotten produce or the sauces in the back of the fridge. Cooked meat color isn't always a safety indicator. Use a thermometer. Speaking of thermometers, leftovers should hit about 165 degrees Fahrenheit to kill bacteria. Smells can mislead. Not all harmful bacteria produce odors. And learn the difference between best by and safe to eat dates on labels. They are not the same. Here's where we can scrub away the guilt and the grime. A clean fridge is a form of self-care. It clears your head, helps you eat with intention, and makes room for things that nourish you, not stress you out. You deserve that. Every wipe, every tossed container, every deep breath in front of a sparkling shelf, it all counts. Now that we've banished the biohazards, let's bring back the good stuff. Like, subscribe, share your weirdest fridge find in the comments, and I'll see you next time in this intentional living space.